Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order in Temu. First thing I want you to do is launch the Temu app, and then once you logged in, come here and click on your profile icon right here, and then from here you'll see your orders. I want you to tap on this and you'll see we have this order in processing. Now, I want you to tap on this order and you can only go ahead and cancel something that is still processing. So if an order is still processing, you can cancel it. And if it's dispatched, you cannot. Now here you'll see we have this option. If we scroll down, it says cancel items. So we'll tap on that and then it will ask us if we want to keep the order or not. Click on cancel the order. And here, what I need you to do is just choose the items you want to cancel, then click on next step. I'll ask you to select a reason for cancellation. You can just say any reason. Let's say found cheaper somewhere else. And you can give them more details if you want. Otherwise, just click here on next step. And they'll ask you if you're sure you want to cancel all the items. So click here on confirm cancellation. And it will be in progress. Then you can just go ahead and refresh. And after a while, it should show up as canceled, as you can see. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.